Hello, in front of me I have Haylou GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring, try to not move too much, basically. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's go back to the measurements. So the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the menu, and here you should see the option called SPO2. Tap on it, and we have the blood oxygen widget. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor, tap on start measuring to start the measurement. And now let's wait, try to keep still, don't move around too much. And after a couple of seconds you should have your result. Here we have it, and here we have the heart rate also. You can also tap on measure again if you want to measure the blood oxygen levels again, and if you want to go back, simply press the side button a couple of times, like this. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.